Hi and welcome. Let's draw a sketch for our sketchbook. For this one, we will make a mountain landscape with an epic dragon. Stay till the end to get a simple but useful tip to improve your drawings. Step 1. Always start with a quick and rough sketch of what you want to draw. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and think to use a light pencil so you can erase. Step 2. When you're satisfied of your sketch, redraw the contour of your subject with a darker pencil. Perfect time to correct what needs to be corrected. Please like the video and subscribe. Final step: shading, lightening and adding texture. Bonus tip: before directly drawing your subject, always use references, and start by doing very quick and rough sketch on another paper. We can draw again and again on it, to rearrange proportions, etc. Then start with the step 1 of this video. It's time to see the result. No need to be perfect, we're learning and improving with each drawings. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and see you soon.